Ladies and gentlemen, Emirates flight EK 521 today was involved in an operational accident upon landing at Dubai International Airport at approximately 12:45 local time. Due to the quick response from all our teams at Emirates, at the airport, civil defense, thankfully all crew and passenger was evacuated quickly and safely. The aircraft was a Boeing 777-300, registration number Alpha 6 Echo Mike Whiskey, powered by a Rolls-Royce Trent engine 800. It was traveling from Trivandrum International Airport in India to Dubai. There were 282 passengers and 18 crew members on board. The Boeing aircraft was delivered to Emirates in March 2003 and both the captain and the first officer have over 7,000 hours of flying experience each. Emirates is fully collaborating with the local authority to determine the cause of the incident. Due to this incident, Dubai International Airport was closed for a few hours, approximately about 5.5 hours this afternoon. And I want really to say that the airport has been now in operation since 6:30 local time. Of course, due to this, a number of flights were cancelled or delayed or diverted. We are sorry for any inconvenience caused to our customer, and we really appreciate their understanding and show of support. We will post the latest update of affected Emirates flight on our website and social media channels. Our main priority remains with those involved and offering support to concerned family and friends. Dedicated telephone lines are now activated for all family members, and now I'll be happy to take any questions that you might have.